Women do not surrender to men who beg for intimacy. They surrender to men who create it. If you are politely sitting there waiting for the right moment to ask for her permission to escalate, you have already lost. You are waiting for a situation to happen instead of making it happen. Hi, I am Elena. Welcome back to Dating by Elena. Today, I am going to teach you exactly how to lead and create a level of intimacy and magnetic tension so powerful, she will not even think about rejecting you. I am going to show you what real masculine leadership looks and feels like. Make sure to hit that like button right now to support the channel, and let us dive straight into the psychology of irresistible attraction. Rule number 1. Women do not want to be convinced. They want to be led. The biggest mistake guys make is trying to logically prove they are worthy of her attraction through bragging or worse, begging for a chance. Here is a perfect example. Do not spend an hour telling her how great your job is or how nice you are. A woman resists pressure, but she admires effortless leadership. A strong man does not force, and he certainly does not beg. He simply sets the direction and creates a safe, exciting space for her to follow. Step 2. Never request intimacy. When you ask questions like, "Can I hold your hand?" or "Can I kiss you?" you have destroyed the dynamic. You transfer all your power to her. You pull her out of her feeling state and force her into her cold, logical brain. She now has to analyze you, scan your behavior, and actively decide if she wants it. And usually, that logical pause kills the vibe, and the answer becomes a no. So what do? You do not seek permission, you invite. This is emotional leadership. Instead of needing permission, you open a door and invite her to walk through it. Example, do not say, "Can I see you again?" Instead, say, "Let's meet up again and see where we go from here." Do you see the difference? You are signaling that you do not need her permission to proceed. You are simply waiting to sync with her. Step 3. Do not react to a no. A man who gets upset or acts hurt when he gets rejected is sending signals of extreme weakness. A powerful man is completely unfazed. If you invite her and she says no or pulls away, do not panic. Simply offer her a calm smirk, as if to say, "I offered you a golden opportunity. Whether you take it or not is up to you." By not reacting, you are signaling that you are not worried about losing her. And that unbothered confidence? It makes women curious, it makes them chase, and it makes them regret saying no. How do you practically build this magnetic tension? First, slow down. Speak slower. Move slower. Impatience is anxiety. Calmness is status. Stop answering every question logically, and do not reveal your whole hand. Keep the mystery. And finally, play with your words. Never state your feelings directly. Direct compliments are boring. Example, instead of saying, "You are so beautiful," or "I want you," look deeply into her eyes, smile slightly and say, "You know, you have this thing about you that completely distracts me." Do you feel the power in that? You haven't revealed exactly what that thing is. Now her mind is racing with questions. What is it about me that distracts him? How did I do that? You successfully bypassed her logic and planted yourself inside her imagination. Less words, slower movements. Invite, never request, and always lead the interaction. When a woman feels like she made the decision herself, there is no guilt, no guard, and it feels completely natural. Thank you so much for being here. I hope these points help you command the respect and attraction you deserve. I am Elena, and here at Dating by Elena, we help you master the high-value dating game. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and drop a comment below and tell me, what is one nice guy habit you are going to drop starting today? Stay strong, keep leading, and I will see you in the next video.